Hello, this is Ujjwal Kumar. So this is lab experiment number 7 for the Unix lab. In this experiment, we are going to see the file operation using system call. So the first program what we are going to see is C++ program to copy the content of one file to another file using system call. So if you see here, we have created a file. In this, we have included a library fcuntil.h that will be used for file operation. fd1, fd2, length equal to 0, buffer 100, file name 100, f2 is 10. All are the variables. Few of them are integer data type and the rest of them are character data type with different array size. So first the user will be asked to enter the file name. So file name will be there. In fd1 equal to open, file name read only mode will be there. Then fd equal to 1, it means that file does not exist. So else what we'll do, if file exists, then we will read the file fd1 buffer comma 100. The content of the file r, it will be stored in buffer. That's why we are giving the output in buffer. Then while buffer length not equal to 0, what we'll do, we'll increase the length to length plus plus, and then again we are printing the length. Then again user will be asked to enter the new file name because we are copying the content of one file to another file. That's why we are taking the new file name. Then C in f2. So ft2, what it will do, it will just create f2 comma 0761 with some permissions. Then write ft2 buffer length. The content of the new file will be read ft2 buffer 100. We are reading it from the buffer. So this is all about the programming part of this video. Let's go for the demonstration. Yeah, if you see here, they are asking for enter the file name. So you will enter the file name as text1.txt, the file that we have already created. Then the content of the file, hi everyone, welcome to the world of open source. Okay, then enter the new file name. So we have file name as text2.txt already presented. So the content of this file, hi everyone, welcome to the world of open source. See, the content of the new file will be there. So in this demonstration, we have seen that how one file is copying from the another file. So let's go for this next program. So in next program, what we have to do, we have to write a C++ program. So in this program, what we have to do, we have to concatenate two files and write it to the third file using Unix system call. So let's go for the demonstration of the second program. Yeah, if you see here, we have int main fd1, fd2, everything is there inside this. We have a many variable and data type, then buffer 100, everything is. So the main logic behind this is, first we are opening the file. If fd equal to -1, it means that file does not exist. Else what we'll do, we will store the value in s1 that will read fd1 buffer 100. The content of the first file is cout buffer1, so it will be read from there. Then the second cout, enter the second file name c in f2. F2 will open the file in read only mode. Then if a file is opened successfully, what we'll do, we'll store all the s2, all the read value in the s2, and what we'll do, the content of the second file will be uh, printed out from the buffer2. Then s3 equal to s1 plus s2. Then cout, enter the new file name c in f3, the third file that we are going to contain the first two files. In fd2 create 0761 will be system called, and write fd3 buffer1 s1, then write fd3 buffer s2, then close fd3, then open fd3, and we are displaying all this from the buffer. So let's go for the demonstration part of the second program that we have created. If you see here, they are asking for the enter the first file name. So we are entering the first name is text1.txt. So hi everyone, welcome to the world of open source community. So this is the content of the first file. So enter the second file name. So second file will be writing this text text2.txt. Yeah, so both are the having the same file content because we are copying the file from the one file to other. So now we are creating a new file with new.txt. So it is C. Hi everyone, welcome to the world of open source. Hi everyone, welcome to the world of open source. So the same CC is printing twice. What does this mean? The file is contained the first program and the second file is completed. So in the third program, what we have to do, we have to append some data to an existing file using system call. So here we go. What we will do is, this program is just simple. First we are asking the user to enter the file name, then we are opening the file name. If fd equal to -1, file does not exist. So if exists, what we'll do, we'll read the file, we'll display the buffer content, and then we'll enter the additional content from input stream. We are taking that from write system call fd comma input stream stl, then input stream the content of the new file is written, then we are closing the file description fd, then fd equal to open file name comma read only mode, and then we are reading the buffer, and then we are displaying everything from the buffer. So let's go for the demonstration part of this program. We have already, let's first compile the program. Yeah, enter the file name. So enter the file name will be text1.txt will be there. Enter the additional content. We will like community, we are asking for world. Okay, if you see, the new content world is already added here. So this is about the third program. In the fourth program, what we have to do, we have to write a C++ program to randomly access a file using system call. So this program is also simple. So we have created a file using C. So if you see here, we are having the switch case. So here if you see, we are first one for create, and the second for open, third for write, fourth for read, and 5 for close. So case 1, what we will do, so simply if you see the basic logic just behind, we are using the create system call, open system call, write system call, read system call, close system call. So if you see fd equal to create myfile.txt with the name will be created 0755 with the read write permission. If you see file created with fd itna, then fd equal to open myfile.txt read only mode will be there. So this is all about the switch case. Let's go for the demonstration part. If you see here, we have compiled. Yeah, so we are creating the file is created with fd3. We are opening the file open with fd4, then write hello will be written here. Okay, then written, and if you want to read, hello will be displayed here. So, and what will be last, we will just close the file. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you for